Encircle the objects starting with the given letters. दिए गए हरूफ से शुरू होने वाली चीज़ों के गिर्द दायरा लगाइए। प्यारे बच्चों, अब हम दिए गए हरूफ से शुरू होने वाली चीज़ों के गिर्द दायरा लगाना सीखेंगे। E stands for elephant. Elephant is the first picture of the row. So, we encircle the picture of elephant. B stands for ball. Ball is the first picture of the row. So, we encircle the picture of ball. A stands for ant. Now, we search ant in the pictures. Drum, ant. Yes, this is the picture of an ant. So, we encircle the picture of ant. F stands for fly. Now, we search fly in the pictures. Butterfly, fly. Yes, this is the picture of fly. So, we encircle the picture of fly.